Hoy! Kalye seri na! Mga lola, medyo! Hoy!
Pasok, mga lola! Wow!
Handa ka na la?
Saan?
Eh, may humahamong sa'yo na eh.
Sige.
May over pa kami ng modeling.
Hindi ka ba nag-get over, Tidora?
Oo eh.
Paano yung rampa?
Saan ka ba hindi nakaka-get over? Sa modeling.
Nung Sabado?
Sandali lang ate.
Ano?
Bakit ganyan ang uso mo? Kumain ka na naman ng butong pakwan.
Hindi, uminom ako ng suka. Ininervyos yan. Kinakabahan ako, namumutla ako.
Oy, pero ang saya-saya mag-modeling in fairness Nakakapagod lang kasi palit-palit ng mga damit, pero masaya.
Ganun pala yun, ano?
Oo, saya.
Hindi lang ubarang ka na lang.
Ano si Aisel? Regular na?
With pay na ba ito?
Bayad na ba?
Regular model, ha?
Regular model.
Mag-uusapan pa ng lupon.
At saka, matagal na kasi tayong hindi nakakapagsuot ng mga magagandang damit, gano'n. Wala nang nawala sa atin yung mansyon.
Kasi nga naman, ano nangyari sa atin? Kaya pa, paano tayo makakasuot ng mga gandang barong?
At saka, ang ganda-ganda natin ng Sabado, no?
Magaling yung makeup artist natin.
Ang bilis.
Pero
Magaling
kinakabahan.
yung mga designer.
Oo.
Magaling yung designer. Mga kaibigan niya ni Paolo, ano?
Bakit mo nasabi?
Kilala niya eh.
Kilala ba ni Paolo yun?
Oo daw.
Talaga.
Nakita mo ba yung mga pictures natin?
Saan? Patingin nga.
Oh!
Taray, lola.
Para mga manyika. Oh! Parang budol-budol talaga. Mga budol-budol model.
Budol-budol ba? Sayang. Maganda yan kung nakikita namin.
Hindi niyo makita? Kita namin dito.
Brown out dito sa amin.
Long-legged ka, Lola.
Talaga. Sinong lola?
Si Dylan. Oh, ayun pa isa, oh. Oh, di pa tapos yung... Hindi rin makaget over, oh. Naka-post na.
Oy!
Ba't naman ganyan ang lakad nyo?
Lasengo walk. Ganda kaya. Pero alam niyo kung sino ang pinakamaganda?
Siyempre ako.
Mas maganda kung patayin natin to.
Hindi.
Hinahangin yung wig ko eh.
Ang pinakamaganda nung sa...
Ako!
Ano ba kayo? Siyempre, ang apo nating si Divina.
Of course.
Oh.
At sana, mataas yung grado na nakuha niya doon sa project.
Ay nako, mataas sigurado yun. Natuwa yung mga tao eh. Kaya lang si Divina baka next week pa dumating.
Talaga?
Oo.
Bakit naman?
Oh, ayan
Saan
na.
uuwi yun dito yung...
Lola!
Ay, masaya, masaya!
Yes!
Teka lang.
Lola!
Ah. Kumusta? Ang saya mo yan.
Ay, syempre naman po, Lola. Ang taas po kasi nung grade na binigay sa akin ni Ma'am. Tingnan niyo po. Uno yan, oh.
Ano, tinaas niya? Uno!
Uno!
Napakahina naman itong apo natin. Ang
Lola,
grade
tingnan niyo
uno.
Lola,
Yung
yung po
kaba- yan yung pinakamataas,
Tama
uno.
po.
Yung ba yun?
Oo.
Lola, uno. Salamat, Lola.
Oo nga,
Yes.
congratulations,
Congrats,
Apo.
Iha.
Salamat po. Salamat
Ganun ba ang
po.
mga grado ngayon?
Bakit ikaw, Lola Tinidora? Ano bang grade mo?
Eh di matalino pala ako nung araw.
Bakit? Ano ba mga grades mo nun?
0.
Mas mataas sa uno yun.
Oh, di ba?
Kasi mas nauna yun sa uno.
Siyempre, di mas matalino ako nung bata ako.
Talaga.
Hey, Lola, salamat po kasi tinulungan niyo ako, ha. Uno. Uno.
Oo nga.
Ay, teka, Lola, ba't ang putla niyo po?
Divina, congratulations. Congratulations. Ay,
Ay, Alden, salamat! Salamat din sa'yo, kasi tinulungan mo ako.
welcome. Naku, si Lola nakalimutan mag-lipstick.
Kaya nga ito lalagyan ko lang.
Okay na, okay na.
Lola, ang pangit pa pag wala.
Pinapakain mo na hagit yung nito.
Ayan, ang ganda naman ni Lola ko.
Congrats, Divina. Ikaw talaga yun. Ikaw nag-isip nun, ikaw
Ay.
nag-conceptualize. Kaya you deserve the great.
Salamat.
Congratulations.
Pero kasi pinulungan mo ko, tinulungan niyo ako nila Lola, tsaka ng mga Dabber Cats dyan.
Oo
Kaya
naman.
pakisabi sa kanila salamat din.
Yes, of course. Sige, sige. Walang
Salamat
problema.
daw.
Salamat.
Pero ikaw talaga yung Sabado, ha?
Ano?
May paghubad-hubad na nagaganap.
Ay, pero ikaw hinagis mo sa akin yung suot mo, ah.
Hindi ako ready.
May choice ka doon. Oo.
Hindi ako ready.
Pero bagay kayo
Ay,
Thank you, Lola.
Sa totoong buhay lang
Oo, lalo na nung rumampa na sila, no?
Oo, bagay kayo. Kahit nakapang-kasal, nakapang-summer outlook.
Ay, kulang lang.
ano
Ano?
po?
Ano?
Yung outing.
Teka, may tanong si Joey. Ano yung summer outlook lang?
Ano
Yung
mo?
naka-summer sila.
Baka summer look po.
Walang
Kaya
out.
nasa labas.
Kaya nga sinasabi ko lang.
Nasa labas pa.
O, ano, lumabas sila.
Ayan, o.
Ayan na.
Siyempre,
Oh.
susuot mo yan sa labas. Kaya
Oh, una kasi nasa loob, lumabas, kaya outlook.
Yun.
Salamat sa impormasyon lang.
Okay.
May kulang lang.
Ano po,
Nakapang-summer
Lola?
tayo, kulang ng beach.
Lola naman
Outing.
eh.
Kulang ng dagat. No.
Gusto mo mag-outing,
Hindi.
Sumbag Kalibo,
Gusto mo lumayo,
Sumbag Boracay.
Ay, balitaan mo kami pag nag-outing kayo, ha?
Gusto mo lumayo, ba't di ka maglayas?
Sendan mo kami mga picture, ha?
Natake ako ng ayuman.
Marami malapit na beach dito sa Maynila. Wala tayong lumayo.
Lolas, Divina, di ba sabi niyo po, masaya kayo kanina? Masaya, at saka ngayon, masaya po kayo, di ba?
Oo, masaya
Eto,
kami.
naku, mas magiging happy po kayo kasi meron po tayong bisita.
Ay, naku, hindi kami
Lola, wala pa po.
Alden, hindi kami tumatanggap ng bisita pag
Naku,
birthday.
Lola, iba to. Iba to.
Malamang,
Sabi nga ni Kuya Pao, iba to.
kayo lang ang masaya dyan. Kasi nandyan yung bisita nyo.
Ay, hindi. Pero ito po, Lola, may hinanda po kasi siya para sa inyo at para sa lahat ng Dabber Cats natin.
Ayan, may pamirienda.
Dito.
Ay, naku, chef yan, chef
Ay,
yan.
hindi. Hindi naman, Lola. Ito na po, ha?
Pansit.
Nako,
Ay,
live na
nakain
live!
ng adobo, ha?
Opo, dito sa Eat Bulaga, ito na po ang American recording artist and record producer. Mga Dabber Cats, Lolas, Divina, ito na si Dawid!
They can imitate you, they can't duplicate you. 'Cause you got something special that makes me wanna taste you. I want it all day long, I'm addicted like it's wrong. I want it all day long, I'm addicted like it's wrong. They can imitate you, but they can't duplicate you. 'Cause you got something special that makes me wanna taste you. I want it all day long, I'm addicted like it's wrong. I want it all day long, I'm addicted like.
What you gonna do with that dessert?
Do what eat that, dee that. I said do what eat that, dee that. In the top. Are you saving that dessert for me? Cause if you want, baby, you know you can work for me. The way you do it causing jealousy, but you don't ever gotta worry about the enemy. They try to do it like you, and they get mad cause they don't do it successfully. They try to copy your moves, but they don't ever ever do it that tastefully. They can imitate you, but they can't duplicate you. 'Cause you got something special that makes me wanna taste you. I want it all day long, I'm addicted like it's wrong. I want it all day long, I'm addicted like it's wrong. They can imitate you, but they can't duplicate you. 'Cause you got something special that makes me wanna taste you. I want it all day long, I'm addicted like it's wrong. I want it all day long, I'm addicted like.
What you gonna do with that dessert?
Do what eat that, dee da dee da. Do what eat that, dee da dee da. Do what eat that, dee da. Are you saving that dessert for me? Cause if you are, baby, you know you can work for me. The way you do it causing jealousy, but you don't ever gotta worry about the enemy. They try to do it like you, and they get mad cause they don't do it successfully. They try to copy your moves, but they don't ever ever do it that tastefully. They can imitate you, but they can't duplicate you. Cause you got something special that makes me wanna taste you. I want it all day long. I want it all day long. Say, what you gonna do? Thank you so much, Dabber Cats. How are you doing?
Yeah.
Mga Dabber Cats, please welcome Darwin! Let's read na to. Okay. And Darwin, won't you greet your fans?
Yes.
That's Broadway.
Definitely. I want to thank everybody here. Thank you so much for coming. Mabuhay.
And Darwin, I would like you to meet, of course, our Dabber Cats here in the studio. That's Tito Joey. Tito Joey, that's Miss Alan King.
Nice to meet you.
Miss Alan King, yes. And
It's a pleasure.
Kuya Ryan, Pencilia.
Thank you so much for having me today.
Alright, and in the barangay, there I would like you to meet Lola Nidora. Lola, there.
Hi, David. What's up?
What's up,
Hey.
What's up, Lola? How you doing?
Welcome to the Philippines.
Thank you for having me. Are you ready for the showdown?
No problem. I'm ready always.
I like
Yes,
that.
There, that's Lola Tidora. There's Lola Tidora. There. Lola Tidora beside her. Yan.
Is it like this?
Yes, the baby way.
Ah.
And of course, I would like you to meet Divina Ursula Basmas.
Hi, Darwin! It's nice to see you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good, you.
I'm great.
Hope you're having fun.
I love it here.
Yes. So,
Alden, ako pa.
It is also our sister.
Lola Tinidora, sabi ko po.
Oh, it's three.
That's Lola Tinidora.
Yeah,
Tinidora.
Ito pa lang, ako wala pa.
We're triplets.
Na-introduce ko naman Lola kayo. Hindi niyo po narinig. Sabi ko Lola Tinidora right there.
Tidora lang, Alden.
Tinidora. Lola naman.
Hi,
Yeah, there.
Hi.
There.
How are
how's
you?
life? Hey, Darren.
Darwin.
Hey, Darwin, come on, baby.
Are you saving that dessert for me?
Yeah, I have a dessert along for you, mate.
Oh.
We have
Three of you.
champurrado here.
David.
What's
When
up?
did you arrive here in the Philippines?
I got here yesterday.
Oh,
Yesterday morning.
Is it your first time here?
No, this is my second time here.
Oh, so how do you find the Filipino people? Did you find it?
Oh, yes. They're very kind. It feels like home to me. Everyone's so kind and polite. I really appreciate the beautiful people here.
Thank
you so much.
Beautiful na tayo.
Yeah, we're so beautiful, Darwin.
Very beautiful.
I have to ask you some question, Darwin.
Yes.
What is the nationality? The word What is the nationality is that?
Chipmunk. I think that's the best I could do. Chipmunk. Do what eat that? Oh, who's that?
David. Many Filipinos love your music.
I really appreciate
And we
it.
want to hear more from you.
Oh, thank you. Salamat sa suporta.
Yes.
Wala problema.
And you know what? You know what, Darwin?
What?
Yes.
What?
What you gonna do?